Hello everyone, a little bonus training for you. Let's consume and create. So in my opinion, the number one reason behind all the other reasons why somebody will not join and do what we do is because they're addicted to a paycheck. So this goes to your own mindset as well as you need to be understanding of others around you. So what do I mean by addicted to a paycheck? Well, here's what it looks like when you have a job. Work, get paid. 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 The never-ending perpetual hamster wheel. You're guaranteed a paycheck if you work, if you show up, and it doesn't matter if you provide any value. So there's a big feeling of safety and security there, however false it may be, because I think all of us who got into this realize that a person can lose their job at any time for any reason. But while somebody shows up, work, get paid, work, get paid, work, get paid, work, get paid. And that's the condition that we're taught our whole lives. And typically we can't get over that wiring of our brain in the course of a day or a week or sometimes even a year. It took me a couple years to undo that lifelong conditioning, but it can happen. I did it and we're doing it together. So when someone's doing what we are doing, when you get into network marketing, it looks like this. Work, don't get paid. I quit. That's what happens. Work, don't get paid. 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 Work, do not get paid. Work, do not get paid. Work, still not getting paid. Work, don't get paid. Work, get paid. Wow. Work, don't get paid. Work, don't get paid. Work, get paid. Work, get paid, work, get paid, work, don't get paid, work, get paid, work, get paid, don't work, get paid. Oh, that feels good. The residuals are kicking in. And you keep going. So in the beginning, you do a lot for a little. And then there's a transition that happens where you do a little for a lot. Not bad. So that's what this is here. It's freedom. And you need to be aware that's what's going on, that transition from our lifelong conditioning of having a job where you work and get paid, to work, don't get paid. But the trade-off down the road as you develop your skill set here is you can not show up and still get paid. It's pretty cool. So we're talking about freedom and real security, which a job creates a false sense of security, and this is a real sense of security and freedom and more options in life. Just wanted to share that with you. Maybe it's a way you haven't looked at it before, and maybe it's extremely motivating. I know it is for me. It's very motivating. I love to be able to live life on my own terms, but you have to make the upfront time and investment and blood, sweat, tears, and all those things that have to be done up front to set the groundwork for that to be able to happen, where you can have that period where I got residuals. So whether I'm rolling out of bed or rolling over in bed or rolling out to go on vacation or to show up for work, it doesn't matter anymore. I'm covered. That's what we're working for, that freedom. And we're doing it by sharing chemical-free, healthy living. So those two things go together really well. To have the financial freedom and independence, and then the health and the breath and the vitality to enjoy it. A beautiful marriage. So go share this, people. Consume and create on a daily basis. Consume the training, the personal development, consume the great ideas, and then create action on a daily basis. Bye for now. Feel free to tag people in this if you wish.